So sa sobrang bait ng Ford Commonwealth, well, technically parang ano yun, naka-pitong ahente ang nag-assist sa akin. Enjoy! So technically, ito na yung Ford Raptor once again kasi to be fairly honest, nakapag-test drive na ako nito before. So, yan, may magbibigay sa atin ng mga technical ideas dito sa Ford Raptor. Right. Unfortunately, yung mga ahente na highly knowledgeable about the vehicles itself ay busy. So, ginawa ko na lang siyang mag-isa. Okay, ito yung ano natin, a much cleaner version of the review that I did nung sa Ford Balintawak. Now inside na tayo, nasa showroom na tayo. Right, ito ay may power seats. I can electronically move this forward, backward, and obviously mga incline natin, wala tayong problema dyan. In fairness, dito sa Ford Balintawak, ang dami ko na-meet ahente. Hi, ma'am.
Sige, sa'yo ka na brake.
Sige, brake, tapos yung engine start-stop. Okay, so engine start-stop is right over here. Yan. Yan. Build for tough. Yan, lumabas na siya dito. Tapos dito naman yung tachometer and yung speedometer. Tapos may mga warnings tayo dito. Just press OK para lang ma-cancel yan. Yan. Yan, para lang marinig nyo yung makina itself. Yan, yun yung tire pressure monitoring system. And then dito naman tayo, just like the Everest na na-review ko before. Yan, yung natin, infotainment system. Yan, just like a gigantic iPad. Yan, you can adjust the in thermostats natin dito. Temperature pala, or you can use a touchscreen. Recirculation, max AC. Let's not use that right now. Tapos yung volume button natin is really a physical one. That's a nice touch. Tapos ito yung gear level natin. Put it on drive. Yan. Nakatapak ako sa preno, no worries. Put it in reverse. Ayan. Ito yung natin, yung 360 camera. There we go. And put it on park once again. Tapos electronic parking brake. Yeah, that's a switch, and just to turn it off, yan, just push it down. And then ito yung natin, transfer case natin, yung mga drive modes. Yan. Okay. Yan yung normal. Yan, pipihit ko Tapos ano bang pwede nating sport, tapos slippery, mud ruts, sand, and dunes. Tapos rock control. And I think that's yan. Okay, right. So all I need is to shut it down. Yan, kasi yun lang naman kailangan natin i-demo dito sa sasakyan natin. Yan, sorry for the medyo magulong angle ng sasakyan na ito. And then yung mga air vents natin dito, may mga red accents na pinapalibutan siya. Tapos yung hexagonal design ng vents. Tapos passenger airbag is right over here. And there you go. Yan. And check natin yung 3-spoke steering wheel. Yan, mga red stitching dito. Tapos meron itong marker na sasabihin kung ito ba yung gitna ba yung steering wheel angle natin. Right. It says the nameplate Raptor. And then, this is, hindi yan nakakamali Parang yung unang labas ata na Raptors are silver finish, but this one's blacked out. Nice. And then, auto dimming rear view mirror. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa magic of it. Tapos, syempre, I can't dummy it right now kasi hindi ako nagda-drive. Yan, mga lights. Tapos yung auxiliary switches. Ibig sabihin nito, hindi mo na kailangan ng mga magdi-drill ng holes and tapos maglalagay ka ng switch. Ito, provided na to ng Ford. So, yan, sabihin natin lights, wang-wang, please lang, huwag kayo maglalagay nun. But, ayan, blinkers and so on and so forth. Tapos, meron tayong sunglass holder. And then, going to here, tong yun, mga salamin dito. Tignan natin kung guwapo ka man o hindi. And then, yan, tapos yan, mga mirrors natin. Tapos, meron tayong a bit of a storage dito. Yan, right over there. Wala itong wireless charging dito because the wireless charging is right over here. That's the wireless charging. And then, yung sinasabi nila parang fries holder. Yan, it's right over there. 2 cup holders. Obviously, there are additional cup holders. Yan. One at each side dito sa mga air vents. It's really genius na nilagay nila dito para lang syempre malamig yung mga drinks natin when if it's ready to go. Yan. Another one here. Right over there. Tapos ito yung mga central locking natin. You can operate it on the passenger side. Yan. There you go. And this one too. And just give a bit of a trivia, para mabuksan yung fuel door over there, sorry, may sumasabog na balloon, all you have to do is just press the unlock button, tapos yun, they can push the fuel door, then they have the access over the fuel tank door. Tapos all 4 windows are automatic ba? Oh no, not this one. Okay, I see. Pero syempre power windows, tapos yung driver side is the automatic one. Ayan, I'm going right here outside. Okay, yan yung mga step boards natin. It's a much different material doon sa sa ordinary Wildtrak. So keep in mind kapag sabihin natin baka magkasikasan na lang kayo. Yan, be careful lang. Much a rugged type na na fabric. Ay, much a rugged type na step boards. Sorry. Yan. Then balik naman tayo dito sa rear seats. Yung rear seats would be a red accents dito. Tapos obviously these are leather. Tapos may meron pang parang gamusan na fabric dito sa gitna. Syempre kasyang-kasya ako dito. No worries on climbing in. And then meron tayong mga air vents dito sa gitna. Really nice. Tapos I think when you need to operate this light, kailangan nakabukas to. Parang ayun, that one. Yan. Yung naka door. Tapos yan. Okay. Tapos ito mga grab handles. It's not damp. Probably the front one is damp, or I don't know, I might be wrong. But ayan, may mga center armrest dito. But I can't show it kasi may plastic dito na nakaharang. Tapos nito yung center headrest. Meron siya rin. But overall, meron rin ditong 230 volts na saksakan. Let's just get it. Yan. 230 volts na saksakan. And then mga charging ports natin dito. Yan, there you go. Really neat features ng Ford Raptor dito sa likod. It's really unique too na ito yung na natin to open the grab handle. Now, let's check on the engine right before checking out these. Para sige, puno muna natin yung fuel door. Yan, easy fuel cap, sasaksak nyo na lang. Tapos, yun. Tapos, yan, you don't need to twist and anything. Now, onto the engine. Syempre 2-liter bi-turbo engine. Tapos meron siyang 10-speed automatic transmission. Yan, kanina dinemo ko lang doon sa loob. Then yan, really weird for a price and a Raptor. Ito yung natin, wala siyang hydraulic struts. So it comes with the mechanical hood rod pa rin. So alalay na lang, wag mabigat. Yan yung mga hood locks natin. Tapos ito yung sinasabi nilang snorkel. So ito yung nakakonekta doon sa sa airbox. Yan, para kaya mataas yung natin, yung weighting depth nito goes around 800 millimeters somewhat. So yan, 210 PS kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Kasi definition of a 2-liter, ayan, tingin nyo dyan, ang luwag, diba? Laka na sasakyan, Asang lit-lit na makina. But obviously it's a bi-turbo system, so produces a lot of torque, produces a lot of power. Ano na. And then syempre ito na yung reservoir natin dun sa radiator. Yan. Alright, this one over here, this puppy. Kasi syempre puro sensors na to. They just remove the radiator cap. Tapos baka mamaya maging sangkot pa na ihitin nila at may sisirit na radiant na coolant. So ayun. Keep in mind, syempre is a Ford product. Wag kayo di ba dama yung motor ko dyan?
Nakapasok ko siya.
Dito sa parking.
Saan kayo nakapark, sir?
Ayun.
Ay, hindi nasa loob.
Nasa loob.
Ito naman.
Patakbuhan yung mga ahente. Ito, sa may linya na yun. Balik na tayo. balik na tayo. Ayan, may nagkakaroon ka ng clearing operation eh. So, as I said, everything else yung ano, saan na ba ako? Okay, doon na tayo sa 2SM na battery. Ayan, 2SM na battery. Obviously, that's a really large battery. I believe na ito ba ay in-house tong battery ng Ford? Yeah, probably I am most likely wrong. Pero yun. So, let's ibababa natin tapos tingnan natin yung mga features pa nito. Okay, come to look at it nga naman. Ang ballistic nga naman ang design ng Ford na front grille ng Ford. Really nice. Kasi marami ako nakakita na aftermarket na ganito eh. So sabihin natin, nakikita nyo yung wild track na yun dun sa gilid. Pwede nyo palagyan nito eh. Sana na lang kung nagmamatch na lang yung sensors nun. Tapos, ayun, bahala na lang. And then meron tayong LED fog lights. Yan yung LED fog lights. And then syempre meron tayong yung LED high beams, that's low beams, tapos daytime running lights obviously. Yan. It is finished with this color. Yan. Yan yung color choice nito. And then with the silver accents dito sa bumpers underneath. Yep, there you go. Then obviously this has a keyless entry system. Kapag hinawakan mo to, it will unlock. Tapos kapag hinold mo to, it locks the vehicle. Okay. Since this is considered to be a Raptor, meron nga pala tong blind spot assist. Yan. Ito yung sensors nun. Andyan siya. Kasi magbiblink yun dun sa side mirror housing or dun mismo pala sa side mirrors. Tapos it will tell you na hey, there's something or someone is on your way, so it's on your blind spot, be careful na lang. Tapos meron itong tailgate assist. Yan. Tapos meron tayong mga saksakan dito at the bed part. Yan. And then may mga warning signs tayo dito na kung magre-refill ka na fuel, this is how you're supposed to do it. And syempre, just a bit of a Easter egg. Wait lang, tingnan natin yung natin dito. Ay. Yan, nakikita nyo parang may measurement dito. Yan, medyo matigas na siya guys eh. Pero yan, kapag sabihin natin kung magugupit ka ng mga kahoy, ito yung mga latch dito. Tapos dito iipit. So yan, pwede mo siyang gawing ruler kasi may mga designated na measurements dito sa ilalim ng rubberized covering ng Ford Raptor na pintuan, rear tailgate. So that's just it. Yan. Okay, so may mga pwede pa tayong panghila dito. Yan, may mga tawag dito, mga hooks. Siyempre going to the tires, doon ako lilipat, wait lang. Siyempre going on to the tires, tapos it is finished with a BF Goodrich na goma. Tapos ang sukat ng mga goma na to ay 285 by 70 R17. Yan, 17 inch na yung gun gray finish na natin. This is the rear tire obviously, and it has a rear disc brakes na to. Tapos it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lug nut spec. Then syempre doon tayo sa harap. Same goes with this one obviously. Yan, press lang naman yung sukat nun. Yan, 285 by 70, 17 inch yung mags natin. Yan. And obviously this has the Fox shocks. I apparently, yun, kita nyo orange na yan, the Fox shocks. This is where the magic of the suspension itself. Yan. Siyempre tingnan natin dito sa likod, kasi alam ko independent shocks na to eh. Yep. Yun, kita ko ulit. Yep. Yan. Eh, sa likod, mas pwede naman tayo bumalik sa harap. Yun. Yan ang Fox shocks. Yan yung binabayad nyo napakamahal na suspension up to the point na pinakamagandang ride yung na for the competitors ng pickup trucks. So this is the champion because of that. Yan o, Fox shocks right over there. So this is one vehicle down. Probably the next one would be that vehicle, Ford Wildtrak. But needless to say, gusto na sana magsabi na thank you very much for the Ford Balintawak. Tapos yan, for providing me and giving me the authority na i-shoot itong vehicle na to. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much guys. Take care. Bye bye.